Skedulo's breakthrough solution, the deskless productivity cloud, enables organizations to analyze their business and enhance operational efficiencies. It empowers teams with the data they need to provide quality on-time service and enhances the customer's experience. The deskless productivity cloud for your deskless workers is purpose-built to allow organizations to meet the needs of their business across 5 main areas. First, organizations can manage all of their work and organize the schedules of their workers who may be in the field and mobile or in fixed locations. Organizations can also engage workers and customers alike through the Skedulo web and mobile applications to encourage collaboration, deliver satisfying experiences, and get more impactful results. Organizations can also analyze their data and observe patterns to intelligently improve scheduling and operations and overall customer engagement. They can also configure a flexible solution tailored to meet the needs of existing work streams and current business flows. And last but not least, extend their solution and environment to interoperate seamlessly with the surrounding technology ecosystem, unleashing new ways to do work and spur further innovation. Let's now take a deeper look at the Engage pillar. Our Engage capabilities via our mobile application offer a single pane of glass to access information required to complete work. It surfaces specific forms and captures incredibly detailed information while work is underway. It enables immediate communication between the scheduler who may be sitting behind a desk at headquarters and the worker who's delivering service in the field or at a fixed location, offers integrated availability and unavailability time management, and overall simplifies administration. These capabilities unleash the following benefits, such as increasing worker satisfaction, increasing visibility across various stakeholder groups, and also reduces the overall non-productive HR activities, such as tracking mileage and expenses. For the purposes of our time together today, we're going to be focused on the immediate communication component through our dynamic messaging capabilities. Here, I'm in the web console, which is the area your schedulers, lead, operations folks, or care coordinators might be spending a majority of their day. Our chat functionality is embedded within the traditional blue administrator bar here. And you can see in the upper right-hand corner, we can see that we have a message. You'll also notice that we're currently reviewing the San Francisco Nurses channel. So our capabilities include creating specific channels with multiple people in the channel. It facilitates communication, team communication, and collaboration. You'll also notice there's a Seattle team, and there's also a helpful user guide channel where Maddie White has posted several helpful tips, such as this video, and folks can like it. Chris has acknowledged it and has watched the video. Going back to the direct messaging capabilities, we can also see that Allison, the administrator, has sent a message to one of the nurses here to ask for help in onboarding a new nurse. She's also attached a PDF with the plan, making it incredibly easy for folks to respond and click and learn about what the onboarding plan is about. You'll also notice that we have a direct message from Chris notifying us that Miranda Bailey's daughter called in to share that her wound seems infected today. So we can actually send messages to folks based on real-time phone calls that have come in to keep everyone notified and flag here for this particular situation that Miranda Bailey might need some extra care today. Be on alert so that when you get there, you know what the situation is. So to summarize, the web console includes various chat channels based on including teams or multiple nurses in this particular example, direct messages from Allison to the team and Chris White specifically about this particular appointment, JOB 9876. Now let's take a quick look at the mobile application. So you'll notice here that right alongside my agenda, offers, and other notifications, my messaging tab is lit up in blue. This means that there's some actual activity happening today. I'll notice that Chris and Maddie are actually online, so the green dot tells me that they're online for me to chat to. And so Chris is my supervisor, so I'm actually going to message him that I'm running a little behind today. due to the storms. This allows me in the field to notify my supervisor that I'm going to be running late today. So hopefully you can see that not only can Alina the resource message her supervisor, she can also see all of the chats that was sent to her through the administrator. She can go back and participate in the channels that she belongs to. She can actually respond to Maddie here with an emoji saying, yep, thumbs up, I'm on board, and it all logs and everyone can see real time. So our dynamic messaging capabilities are new features that have been unleashed here at Skedulo. This is one feature that could be in addition to the great features and services and solution that we're already providing for you. If you have further questions about dynamic messaging communication capabilities, please reach out to your CSM, and thank you so much for joining me today.